Okay guys, so we are more tops Star Wars trading cards for the Force Awakens. Now, as I haven't done a show for a couple of weeks, so there's normal 1-2 packets, we're going to be doing 4. So, without further ado, let's get cracking. Now, something I didn't mention on the last video because it slipped my mind. In certain booster packs like these, you'll receive inside a checklist to obviously check off which cards you haven't got. So, the first card in this pack is the Rebel base under attack in The Empire Strikes Back. Getting a bit of glare off that. There we go. There's one. Next one is The Force is with you, young Skywalker, again from The Empire Strikes Back. Again, I wasn't sure whether I'd be doing another video because I said, if you've seen my last video, that I would only be doing another Star Wars trading card unboxing if the video received enough likes and there was enough interest. But I've decided I enjoyed making the video so much that I would indeed create another one regardless, because it's a learning curve, it's something new to the channel. Anyway, the next card is a Special Forces TIE Fighter. This is the first one of this pack from the upcoming Force Awakens. And the first shiny of the video, which is Obi-Wan Kenobi. Next card is Obi-Wan reveals a new revelation from Return of the Jedi. Actually, quickly, while I've got one handy, this is what the checklist looks like. Now, I've not personally filled it in because I have 3 or 4, but as you can see, this is the checklist. In all, there are 207 cards to try and collect, and you get a selection from A New Hope, The Empire Strikes Back, Return of the Jedi, and a few from The Force Awakens. You also get a selection of mirror foil cards, shiny cards, and rainbow foil cards, which are those ones where the entire card is shiny and all sparkly and glittery. Anyway, yeah, that's what that looks like. Back to the cards. Next one is Brother and Sister, which is a still of Leia and Luke in Return of the Jedi. I'm surprised it has not come across any doubles yet, because away from my unboxing videos, I have bought and opened a couple of more packs. Now, I originally was going to do this video, for example, with 6, but I got impatient and decided to open 2 prior to filming. Anyway, next card. Sand people attack Luke from A New Hope, obviously. The last card from that pack is Han to be given to Boba Fett. And that is, of course, from The Empire Strikes Back. So, 1 pack down, 3 to go. Let's crack on. And straight, yet again, no checklist. And first, excuse me, card from this pack is Under Fire from Stormtroopers. Which again is a still from A New Hope. Next card is my first double. I actually got this in one of the packs that I was supposed to open in this video, but got impatient. This is He Will Join Us or Die Master from The Empire Strikes Back. Next one is Anakin Skywalker's Funeral Pyre from Return of the Jedi. Again, something that I didn't mention in the last video is that these cards were introduced in September of this year, so they are obviously fairly new. And expect they'll run till just after the Force Awakens is released in cinemas, and then they'll have a short run period after that, and I should think they'll stop, but we'll see. See what happens. Next is a foil card, or shiny, which is from the latest film. It's Rey, who looks quite badass in that picture, I must say. Looks like she's going to be an interesting character to the franchise. Actually, I think she probably is already in the franchise. She may be in one of the universe books. I'm not particularly myself a big fan of the books from the universe. I stick to the movies and the video games as much as I can. So she may well be in one of the books. I don't know. No doubt one of you guys out there will do. Next card, anyway, is Lando Hanging On from The Return of the Jedi. Which I think, I'm pretty certain, is another double. I'm getting too many. I'm starting to get a lot of doubles. next card is the Emperor's Instructions from The Return of the Jedi. Next card is the Interrogation of Leia from A New Hope. Again, as is always, these Topps cards beautifully made and packaged, as all Topps trading cards generally are. So there's nothing really new about that there. Next card is Wookiee Prisoner, which again is from New Hope. Two packs to go. I don't know what that was about either. And the first card is Vader versus Obi-Wan from A New Hope. Next one, The Empire's Search for Rebels. Again, sorry, one more. From The Empire Strikes Back. What I am slightly annoyed though about with this card series is the lack of inclusion of episodes 1, 2 and 3. Now I know a lot of Star Wars fans generally aren't as fond as the prequel trilogy as they are as the original trilogy. I personally love the prequel trilogy, and unlike a lot of Star Wars fans, I actually do, I repeat, do like Jar Jar, so don't be ragging on him. Next card, anyway, in the pack is BB-8, who obviously is from The Force Awakens and kind of looks like the Death Star mated with R2, or indeed another R2 unit. And that is the freakishly awesome result. The next card is a foil card, and as you can probably see by the back of me showing you the back of the card, is Viv Fortuna. Next card is On the Sail Barge. Barge from the Return of the Jedi. Really need to sort my lighting out for the next video. Anywho. Next card, That Thing's Operational from the Return of the Jedi. If I hold it here, there's no glare. Next card is R2-D2 from The Force Awakens. And the last card for that deck pack is No Escape from the Death Star from A New Hope. So, as you can see, even though you only get 8 cards per pack, and I have opened 4, well, 3, 4th one's still to open, you do get a sizable pack. And once I've opened this final pack, I'll show you my collection so far. I won't obviously show you every card I have in the collection because it takes too long and it's getting fairly late now, so I'll just show you side on size like I just did. First card, Darth Vader Within Range, A New Hope. Next card, Han Goes Back for Leia, Empire Strikes Back. Well, that was a bit of a glitch there, wasn't it? Anyway, yeah. Han Goes Back for Leia from The Empire Strikes Back. Next one, Princess Leia's Plea for Help, A New Hope. Oh, yeah. Next card is the foil card for the pack, C-3PO from The Force Awakens, which instantly I'm ridiculously excited about seeing, as is like 99% of every other Star Wars fans. Next card is a rainbow foil, and it is Luke Skywalker. The next card is another double. It is a Scout Trooper Approaches the Princess. Again, I haven't received it in a pack on this video, but prior to filming I did open 2 of the 6 packs I was going to open in this video. Next card, R2 Has Gone from New Hope. And the final card is Back to the Ship from A New Hope. Right. Now I'll show you my collection so far. Well, not the cards themselves, because you'll have seen most of them if you view or have viewed the previous video. And we have a sizable chunk, just to show they're all real cards and not just ones I've... Ooh. But yeah, so again, if you live in the UK, they're £1 from most corner shops. I know McCall's, which is my local shop, they do them. Obviously they've got branches nationwide, so check out them, they'll most likely have them. Again, supermarkets like Asda, etc, etc, they'll have them in. If you live abroad, you know, whether you're in the dollar, euro, I would imagine it would be the equivalent to £1, so $1, €1, you get the idea. Anywho, I think this will be the last unboxing video for now, because of the Christmas period, and I'll continue to buy the packs during the Christmas period, but I'll not be doing another unboxing video until after the Christmas period because of visiting family and friends, that kind of thing, the general Christmassy things that you do. So yeah, I will continue to buy two packs at least a week during the Christmas period, and then a week or so after the Christmas period, maybe 2 weeks, certainly before the end of January, we will have another unboxing up and ready to go for you. So yeah, peace out. Don't forget to like and subscribe now.